Welcome to part 3 of electronic cutting with icing images. Today we will learn how to access Design Space, create a Design Space account, and creating new projects. To access Design Space, type in your search bar www.cricut.com. Look to the top right corner and find the Design button. The Design button will take you to this page. Find the space that says "Don't have an account yet" and click the button below. Creating an account is fairly easy. You will be asked for your name, email address, creating a password, among other things. I've already created an account, so let's log in. Both of these options will allow us to start a new project. Let's click the green button. Let's make a text project. When working with text, your Design Space account will sync with the fonts that you have in your computer. You will also have the option to buy CRICUT fonts. All fonts or images that require purchasing before using will have a price next to them. Let's use a font that I already have on my computer. In this window, you can also adjust the size and placement of your text. Don't forget to place your text 1 inch away from the edge of the mat. Let's press continue. Now, let's select our material to cut, and let's take a quick look at the settings we need for cutting satin ice fondant. Let's go ahead and select Browse All Materials. Scroll down to where you can find My Materials. Since I've already entered satin ice as one of my materials, I'm going to go ahead and click it, and then at the bottom hit Material Settings. In this portion, I will show you my material name, my cut pressure, my cut feature, and the blade type. For my satin ice fondant, I did go ahead and name it Satin Ice Fondant. For my cut pressure, I did set it at 170. The multi-cut feature is off, and my blade type is deep point. Don't worry about memorizing this step. We will go more in depth in our adding a custom setting video. Let's select our material and follow the prompts on the screen. Load your mat by pressing the arrow button on your CRICUT, and now press the CRICUT button. Your CRICUT will begin to cut, and the status of your project will load on your screen. When your project is done, simply press the Finish button.